In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Surfshark VPN on any smart TV in 2025. This step-by-step guide is designed to be both comprehensive and easy to follow, so let's dive right into it. First off, you want to make sure you've navigated to the official Surfshark website. Open up a browser, type in surfshark.com, and press enter. You'll find yourself on the homepage of Surfshark, which is known for providing not just VPN services, but a whole suite of cybersecurity tools. Once you're here, your next step is to look for the My Account section, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Give it a click, and this will take you to the login page. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply click on Log In. If this is your first time, there might be an option to sign up or create a new account. But let's assume that we're all set up and ready to log in. Enter your credentials in the login form and proceed by clicking the login button. Once you're in, you'll be redirected to the Surfshark home. This is your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Here, you'll need to find the section dedicated to the VPN application. Locate the button or tab that says VPN. This is your gateway to setting everything up on your smart TV. After clicking on VPN, you'll need to go a step further by selecting TV or console. This is crucial, as it directs you to the options tailored for those specific devices. Smart TVs and game consoles often have different requirements than your regular laptops or smartphones, so getting this right is key to a successful setup. Now, here's where the specificity comes into play. Look for the Activate Smart DNS option and click it. Smart DNS is a feature that allows your smart TV to bypass regional restrictions on content without compromising your internet speed or security. Activating Smart DNS is vital for improving your streaming capabilities. Once you've activated Smart DNS, the platform will provide you with a set of DNS addresses. These are what you'll need to enter into your smart TV's network settings. So grab a pen and paper or your mobile phone to note them down accurately. Now, it's time to switch over to your smart TV. Head into the Settings menu, usually accessible with your TV remote, and find the Network settings. Here, you should see an option to enter DNS manually. This is where you enter the numbers provided by Surfshark. Be sure to double-check them to ensure accuracy. And there you have it. Your smart TV should now be successfully connected to Surfshark VPN via Smart DNS. With this setup, you can enjoy safer, faster, and restriction-free browsing right from your TV. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to revisit any step or check Surfshark support for more detailed guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your enhanced TV viewing experience with Surfshark VPN.